And welcome to my channel. My name is Chris Ekon. I just want to show you guys how to quickly use etherdata.com. Basically, Etherdata is an exchange whereby you sell Ethereum based token, otherwise known as ERC20 tokens. So it's very easy. So I'm doing this having it in mind that you guys are already aware with what is known as private key and public key. So what you need to do if you have your private key on ground, you just come to select account, then you import. So I already have my private key. All I need is just to copy and paste. Let me get the address, and I'll just paste it. Import. So it all depends. It's either you are selling or you are buying. Of course, if you are buying, you have to send Ethereum to your address, to your public address. Then if you are selling, the token or the Ethereum based token that you are selling, you must have sent it to the address. So once you have done that, all you need to do is that you want to send your token or your Ethereum to the smart contract address. So all you need to do is that basically this private key and public address doesn't really have any funds on it, so the whole thing might not really look like that. But all you need to do is that, let's assume I have this particular token in here. It would have appeared here. Instead of me seeing PPT, the volume of the coin I'm having will appear here. So all I need to do is I'll just write the same amount here. Let's assume it's 1 PPT. I'll just type the same 1 PPT here. Let's assume I want to sell. Then I'll now click deposit. So it is expected that the token will now be transferred from my address to the contract address. So from there, once I've made the deposit, if you are selling, you don't really need to send your Ethereum to the smart contract address. So you can just leave your Ethereum. Your Ethereum will appear here. You can just leave it. Then so these are guys that want to buy. They are proposed buying price. So if you are comfortable with any of these prices, you can just select it and sell. Then you too, if you are buying, that means you have to move your Ethereum that is here. You type it here, the amount that is there. You just write the amount here. Then you click deposit. Then you can now use it to buy any altcoin. So there are several Ethereum based coins here that you can buy, anyone. So you can just select the one that you wish to buy and let's say trade, stuff like that. So it's pretty easy using the exchange. Thank you for watching.